is Blepharoplasty? Hello everyone, I'm Hannah. I came back today with another video to explain about what is Blepharoplasty and whatever you asked me before. Okay, so blepharoplasty or eyelid surgery is a surgery that removes excessive skin, fat, muscle in upper eyelid or in a lower eyelid. As I told, it could be done for upper and lower eyelid at the same time or even separately. Blepharoplasty can improve your appearance, I mean wrinkles, puffiness, and sagging skin, and also your visual. If you ask me how, I would tell you in some case we have excessive skin in upper eyelid that can really cause us visual impairment. So this surgery can be really effective in this case. This surgery needs 7 to 10 days recovery period, and after that you can return to your normal life and do whatever you want. After that, you asked me about surgery procedure. Surgery procedure can do with local anesthesia or general anesthesia. Is completely depend on your medical condition and doctor's decision. Some people have like some special diseases or maybe the age, and they are important to decide about anesthesia. It should be local or general. It's completely based on this situation. After that, you ask about suture or incision or scar. Does it remain or no? For lower eyelid, I can tell you that nothing is visible. Nobody can notice that you had a surgery. But for upper eyelid, if somebody look you from the front, they probably will not understand that you had a surgery before, because this incision or suture go through the wrinkle of your upper eyelid and it's hidden, you know. But if somebody wants to look at you from the upper side, they will see the incision or this scar actually. Choosing a good doctor following postoperative care is very important. So I wish you health and thank you for watching this. You can ask or write in a comment whatever you want. I will reply you. Thank you.